Akriti and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and before starting today's video, a very happy new year to you guys. So today is the 1st January and we are finally in 2021. 2020 is not a good year. Like corona हुआ, lockdown हुआ, इतना कुछ हुआ कि 2020 is not a good year at all. Not for only me. किसी के लिए भी 2020 अच्छा नहीं था. But still 2020 has some good days as well. So here I am with my 20 best days of 2020. So our very first day is on 18th of January. As many of you guys know that I am a BTech student, so 18th of January को I went on an industrial visit to NCMRWF. If you guys don't know कि ये क्या है, तो ये हमारे इंडिया का वेदर फोरकास्ट स्टेशन है जहाँ पे हमारा इंडिया अपना वेदर फोरकास्ट करता है. So let's move on to the second day, that is on 20th of February. If you follow me on my Instagram, you guys must know कि 2020 में मेरे भैया की शादी हुई थी, तो on 20th of February we organized a girls night. बेसिकली शादी भैया की थी, तो हम लोगों ने गर्ल्स नाइट ऑर्गेनाइज की थी फॉर हिज संगीत परफॉर्मेंस प्रिपरेशन. बट हम लोगों ने इतनी मस्ती करी, हम लोगों ने इतनी पागलपंती करी कि हमने संगीत प्रिपेयर ही नहीं किया. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैवंट परफॉर्म्ड इन हिज फंक्शन. बट हम लोगों ने बहुत ज्यादा मस्ती. So moving on to the third day, that is of 25th of February. What happened on that day? On that day, for the very first time in my entire life, I'm 21, but I never get a makeover from a makeup artist. But on that day, for my brother's sagai, I went to a makeup artist and she gave me a makeover. I was feeling really pretty. So moving on to the biggest day of 2020 for our family, that is 27th of February, my brother's wedding. On that day भैया भाभी की शादी हुई and that day was like a biggest day in his life. Moving on to the fourth day, that is on 6th of March, our pre-Holi celebration. I guess our last celebration before lockdown. Like on that day, my two other friends like Akriti and Anadi, we enjoyed a lot. हम लोगों ने बहुत मस्ती करी, बहुत की पागलपंती करी. मतलब हम लोग इतनी पागलपंती कर रहे थे कि क्या ही बताएं. So moving on to the next day, that is 19th of April. लॉकडाउन में सबकी अलग like अंदर का जादूगर निकल रहा था. मेरा भी 19th अप्रैल को इंटीरियर डिजाइनर निकला. आई डिसाइडेड टू डेकोरेट माई रूम. मैंने अपने रूम को डेकोर करना स्टार्ट किया. आई डिड पेंटिंग एज वेल एंड एवरीवेयर इन द रूम एंड आई एंजॉयड. मतलब आई लाइक दैट थिंग. And moving on to the next one, that next is not a particular day, that's the whole like months, like April and the May. लॉकडाउन में मेरी एक और गला जॉब रुक गई थी, that is cooking. मतलब लॉकडाउन I cook like बहुत सारे डिशेस, मतलब I guess more than 50 डिशेस, और कुछ बहुत अच्छी बनी like super yummy, कुछ एवरेज था, कुछ तो बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्लेंडर था. But so moving on to the next one, the day जिसकी वजह से आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियो एंड अपलोडिंग इट on YouTube, that is 18th May, the day when I restarted my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel 2 years back. Then at that time I posted like 10 videos approx, but then I took a huge break of 2 years because of lack of confidence, फलाना ढिमकाना पता नहीं क्या क्या reasons थे. But I stopped posting videos. But in lockdown I get a more courage, more confidence, and I restarted my channel. So moving on to the next one, that is 6th of August. That day was a big deal for me. Like for the very first time in my life, I bought a laptop. मेरी लाइफ की सबसे मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव परचेज एवर अभी तक मेरा लैपटॉप ही है. So moving on to the next one, that is 18th of August. On that day, two things happened. First one is I designed my own outfit from scratch. मतलब from stitching to like designing, everything was done by me only. And with the help of my mother. And on that day, I met my childhood friend, like my oldest friend. Like I'm 21 and we are together from 21 years. Like from the very first day of my life, we guys are friends, and I met her for the very first time in 2020. So moving on to the next one, that is on 27th of August. On that day, I took a Marathi makeover. So fast forwarding to September, 9th of September, my sister's bachelor party. दी की शादी लॉकडाउन में हुई थी, तो बैचलर पार्टी भी लॉकडाउन में ही होनी थी। ऑफ कोर्स हम कहीं बाहर तो नहीं जा पाए, बट वी ऑर्गेनाइज अ पार्टी फॉर हर एट हर प्लेस. So fast forwarding to 14th of October, on that day I went to Delhi at my own. Like मैं लाइफ में पहली बार अकेले ट्रैवल कर कर कहीं गई थी. On that day I was having my very first interview, like, and finally the best day of my entire year, that is my birthday, 24th of October. like a kid, मुझे मेरा बर्थडे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. मतलब आई एम दैट टाइप ऑफ गर्ल जो पागल रहती है, बर्थडे आने वाला है, बर्थडे आने वाला है, बर्थडे आने वाला है. लाइक आई एंजॉयड दैट डे अ लॉट. माई फ्रेंड सरप्राइज मी. लाइक आई मेट माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, माई होल फैमिली वॉज टुगेदर एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज परफेक्ट ऑन दैट डे. Fast forwarding to next month, 15th of November, I guess Diwali. I was feeling really pretty. Like I wore a very pretty gown, a very pretty decent makeup. And what's the best part of that day is our whole family was together. हम I guess काफी टाइम से ऐसा नहीं हुआ था कि हमारी पूरी फैमिली ने एक साथ दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करी. In the same month we went on a road trip. Finally यार 2020 में कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा था, but our first road trip of 2020. मतलब यार पक गए थे, मतलब कोई रोड ट्रिप हो ही नहीं रही थी 2020 में, but finally it happened. We went to उत्तराखंड, like our whole family, मम्मा पापा भैया भाभी मैं, हम लोग उत्तराखंड गए थे for a one day road trip to a मंदिर like सिद्धबली टेम्पल. But यार finally 2020 में कुछ हुआ था. Not only this, but in the next month, that is last month of 2020, हमारी एक second road trip भी हुई थी, that is the 6th of December. वो भी one day road trip थी with family, but we enjoyed that thing a lot as well. And finally, the best trip of 2020, from 10th to 14th of December, a trip to Manali. I went there with my siblings and cousins, and ओ भाई साहब कितनी सही ट्रिप थी यार, लिटरली सही ट्रिप थी. मैंने लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम स्नोफॉल देखी, मैं मनाली फर्स्ट टाइम गई थी. एंड फाइनली द लास्ट बेस्ट डे ऑफ 2020, 27th of December. On that day we bought a new car. Like we guys was planning for a new car from October, I guess. 2 महीने से प्लानिंग हो रही थी that we will buy a new car, and finally we got a new S-Cross. So these are the all best days of my 2020. आप लोग भी अपने बेस्ट डेज और आई कैन से बेस्टेस्ट डे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा कि आपका 2020 का सबसे बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस कौन सा था. एंड once again a very happy new year to you guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this a big fat thumb